All right guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back at Pat's house today. We are going to be continuing the little series that we got going on with Courey's Z, because the past couple videos have just been Courey's Z. But today we are going to be installing some rear control arms for his Z. We're gonna be adding some camber. Also, Pat got a couple of new cars. Since the last time you've seen him, he picked up a WRX wagon and an S2K. The S2K is gonna be gone pretty soon. We're not gonna be doing any builds on that, but the wagon is actually probably gonna stay for a bit longer. We'll probably be building this as a little daily for Pat. So right now we are just kind of doing a bunch of different stuff. Steven's getting his engine cover ready for his Civic, and then Pat is trying to figure out his compressor issue. We have been having a compressor issue with Pat's STI, so he's testing the wiring out, stuff like that. So we're gonna try and fix that.
Okay, but if we don't fix it, all we're gonna do is get the tire hose and plug it up and fill it up, and then we drive to the shop. Because it worked yesterday, so we guys gonna work today.
I'll give you a little peek at what Steven's doing right now. He's just kind of cutting into the engine cover so he can fit it around the hoses and such.
Do you see that cut?
Clean cut. That looks like it's from the factory.
Yeah. I think it's good now. So, gang.
It looks like an Audi.
It was an Audi. Yeah, so I had to make this little notch right here because the cover was sitting on this hose, and that like didn't make me feel comfortable. So,
so Steven's gonna actually color match this. We don't know what color yet. What color do you think, Steven?
We do know what color.
Do we know what color?
Yes, bro, we know what color.
Well, I was either gonna do purple with gold flakes or like OEM blue with gold flakes. So, we'll see.
It's gonna be OEM blue with gold flakes.
Comment down below what color you think Steven should paint this. It's gonna either be purple or blue. Let us know. We want your guys' opinion. Also, guys, just want to give you guys a little update for the Miata. My Miata, the wheels are going to be coming very, very, very soon. I just talked to the guys out in California. The lips are being polished as we speak, and they'll be ready for shipment right after they're getting polished. So that content will be coming very soon for you guys, hopefully within the next couple weeks. Also, we are going to be hosting a meet this Saturday, so if you are in the DMV area, make sure to come out. Rockville Tito, we're gonna be partnering with them to host a little meet. We want to see all you guys out there. Come out, make sure you come out, check our Instagram for more details, and hopefully we see you there. All right guys, so we're gonna go real quick and drop Pat's STI off. He needs to fix his little fender issue.
A little bit, you know, because I'm tucking now, so we gotta fix it.
Yeah, exactly. So Pat keeps knocking off his like rear quarter fender things. So they're not actually metal, they're like fiberglass. So he shaved it off. He shaved it down to like the bare quarter panel. And then he's gonna go to the shop that we're dropping it off at. He's gonna get them to fix the quarter panels. So we'll be ready for shows. All right guys, so let's get on the road. Alright guys, so we made it to the shop that we are dropping Pat's car off at, Royal Customs. So, gotta say bye to the STI for a few days, and hopefully we'll see that it's fixed very, very soon. Pat's car is too clapped.
I tell him every day.
Like, I had this done in like Westminster.
Your car's clapped.
No? Don't tell me that.
Dude, you're about to put on like really badly welded arms.
No, we're not. We're going with the nice ones, bro.
They're alright.
The nicer ones.
I mean, they're better than nothing.
Tell him shut up. Comment down below. Shut up.
You wanna see my welds?
Alright, so we just got done putting Pat's car in the shop. We are done dropping it off. Let's head back to Pat's house, start working on Courey's Z.
I'm ready to go. There you go.
All right, guys, got back to Pat's. We're eating some lunch back here, and then we're gonna get started on Courey's car. The sun is beaming in my face right now. Oh my god.
Don't worry about me. It's like my girl's toe in the waterfall.
What?
That's hard.
What?
That's hard. I like that. Bussin', this is a delicacy right here, baby. This is a delicacy right here, baby. You see it steaming? Bussin'. How about you?
All right, guys. So we just jacked the Z up. We're taking the rear wheels off right now.
Yeah, flip them.
Checking the tread. How's the tread, Courey?
Needs to flip.
It needs it. Yeah, probably just flip it.
Don't miss the flip.
Don't miss the flip.
Cause you see this compared to this. About to go bye bye. So you flip them to that GR.
Guys, always remember, don't miss the flip. Never a good look. The underside of your car is mint.
Bro, the exhaust already has like a hole in it.
You gotta compare it to that car over there.
I don't think I can look under your car right now.
I don't think you should.
Yeah, probably not.
You have to drop the sway bars to take the bolt out for these camber arms.
So that's what Pat's gonna be doing right now.
It's already out.
Oh, it is? Alright, word. Here, I got you. I got you, bro. Up.
Up a little bit.
Okay,
stop.
Right out. Look at that.
Look at that.
Alright, your lower control arm removal is done. Yeah, we're done.
It's out.
Yeah. Alright, guys. Well, thank you guys for tuning in. It's been a good install / delete. So yeah.
So you don't need your camber arm if you want camber. You just want the natural weight of the car to push the wheels in.
Exactly. You don't need a lower control arm. Alright, guys, don't actually do what we just said. That's dangerous. Time for the real control arms.
Hopefully you don't.
Are these control arms ZR or Z1 Motorsports? Z1 Motorsports?
Hey, this bruh. It's gonna be a bitch to put on.
Think so?
They're already so fucking long.
Pat's sick.
Apparently
Pat's sick, he's sick, he's sick.
like naturally.
I'm sick.
But
That don't mean his work good.
Damn, you need adjusting wrench?
I have it.
So you go put on gloves. I go do that this second.
Okay.
Let me worry about that. Hey.
so
yes.
So we have them in. They're just gonna be adjusted for the actual camber that this guy wants.
Shut the front door.
Yeah,
Please.
exactly. Good
Bro,
job.
come
Good
on,
job.
TG13.
Ed Pet has this one in. Steven is working on getting this one out
Yeah,
right
Pat
now.
won't give me tools, so I'm gonna try to unthread this with my hands.
Oh, that's actually a pretty smart idea.
Yeah, I can't break it though.
Nah, I think you got it. Just keep trying.
It's a 17. Yeah, my hand thinks it's a 17 by holding around it.
Okay. Yeah.
Hey,
What you
bro, you
doing,
got
Raul?
grip. You got grip. Bro, I
Got
see
that.
you over there, bro.
Got the gorilla grip.
That's that gorilla grip. So, wait, these ones extend?
Bitch.
Wait, do you like extend
Bro,
that
what if
camber, or do
this
they
hammer hit my
strap that
nuts?
camber?
Hey, that's my goal for real.
Whoa!
Relax.
No, we can't throw this gun. It's gonna cost a lot.
Pass it to Nurse Eddie.
Yes, yes.
Here you go, sir.
Thanks, no problem.
Oh, fuck. The face is on the Z, so.
So I'm gonna be on the block. In Florida, just like this. Make sure the kids get home, you know?
No. Oh, look, he just throated that whole Starbucks.
How does the throat go?
No go.
Throat baby.
Yo, you're tripping, bro. Come on, that shit's not hot.
You in alignment?
got to.
Damn. What the? I know you like that shit.
So Pat is taking the bucket out right now to swap out with the arm, one of those.
Yes, yes, yes.
Not that one, but we have another one.
Oh, damn.
Oh, what
And
the?
this shit right here will adjust your toe for the big camber so your wheels don't go to the side.
Let you know you got a mustache.
Rub me down.
I don't know. Oh, it fits.
Like this bridge right here.
The fuck is that, Pat?
What?
-3.
What is that, Pat?
The thing is, the floor is uneven, so you have to find the what is that?
The equilibrium. He's camping though. He's camping though. Who do you think you is?
7
plus
weak.
310, so
Your
it's
side's
-5
weak.
all around.
Steven's side has -7. Your
This
side's
man
weak,
just did some
Pat.
math in his head. I don't know what he said, but he said -5 all around. How'd you get that math?
Bucking it on the other side.
Bro, you some math, bro.
Dumb bitches.
My man is a capper. That's tight though.
You like how I did it without the wheel on? And I put the wheel on, and now it's perfect.
All right, guys. So we finished Courey's Z. We just threw on the wheel, as you could see. He has a perfect amount of camber, I think. It's just enough to tuck the wheel under and just get it tucking, not hitting the fender like it used to. So right now they're fixing the toe on the passenger side.
Oh, okay.
And Brandon pulled up. Woo! Surprise.
Welcome back to the vlog. I just woke up. It's like
Explain.
so pretty much we thought that the dude cut it, shortened it, and then welded it back together, and that's why we didn't like how it looked. But if you actually take a look right in there, these are threaded in, and then he just welded it to lock it tight. So these are actually good to use, and we're gonna throw them on today.
They're just maxed out forever.
So we are actually going to be able to do the full camber setup on Courey's car today. Super exciting. So we'll see how it turns out. We got a little bit more work to do than we thought, I guess. So let's get it done.
Let's see.
Oh, we done.
Tight. Look. Can't even put a wrench in there. Pushing.
So what we'll probably do is we'll show you guys the one side that we're doing first, and then we're just gonna do the other side off camera because it's basically the same thing, just kind of mirrored. Let's get to the passenger side and then we'll be done.
Our sticker, I think it stands for reverse, so I'm gonna put it in like this.
Okay, sounds good. Pat is taking off the OEM upper control arm right now, and we're gonna be swapping it out with the new one.
Don't touch me.
What are we doing?
Kiss his ear.
Don't touch me.
Kiss his ear.
Don't touch. Don't touch.
Don't touch.
I'm not touching.
I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you.
Stop! I'm not touching you.
I'm not touching you.
I'm not touching you.
That is short.
All right, so he's gonna get,
Whole lot.
he's gonna get like, I call it -10.
Nah, I'm with Steven though, cause Steven has some magical powers, man.
Yeah, Steven knows.
Steven knows, bro.
Steven just knows. It's in.
Is this tight all the way?
Bro, how does he still have positive camber?
What do you mean, bro?
What are you doing, bro? That's not how it's supposed to be.
Oh my god, this is a lot, bro.
So the control arms we're installing right now are fully maxed out. After we get them in and all ready to go, we're gonna be dialing in the camber so that the front camber matches the rear camber, and it looks pretty good.
I mean, we're gonna try our best.
Yeah.
I don't know if they're gonna match.
We're gonna do our best to match them, but
We might need a couple spacers, just
Yeah.
to, you know, because since we're bringing the top in, since we got the short and uppers, we bring the top in, so then that leaves more gap. So
Yep.
then you grab a spacer and then
yep,
and you'll be solid.
and that's how you do it.
That's how you do it.
With the Pat, we done?
Yeah, we're done.
This is actually matching the rear.
No, boy, look at the jack, dummy.
Yeah, hikey.
Sped ass, boy.
It don't matter, because it's still the same on the back. And when I check the back, it goes -12. Sped ass motherfucker.
No, boy, the back we had both sides up, boy.
I literally just checked it when it was down. So my Get this man is better.
Yo, who got torque?
Get off me.
Yo, Brandon, that wheel looking mad big.
Hella big.
This like
This is like
Is that off yet?
it's off now. This is like a good
You're gonna need a good size spacer.
Good spacer.
like 30 mil spacer.
Yeah, your spacer might be good.
Yeah, that 25 mil.
That might be perfect.
Might be the jam, bro.
That's like a good 1.5 inches.
Exactly an 1.5 inches.
So we finished this side. We're gonna be putting on the other control arm on the other side. We're gonna do that off camera because it's just the same process, just on the other side of the car. So we will see you guys when the other control arm is on the car.
No, we don't.
Oh,
We just gonna see when we skating. That's it. Hey, we gonna see when we skating. That's it.
what just happened?
Bro, what the? There's no way that just happened.
Did you break the tool or the car?
Nah, I broke my tool.
The tool. What?
That's too much, bro. You got too much mousse on your goose right there, bro. You see that? You see that big bar right there?
Boy, it's supposed to be just a lug nut, bro.
Look what you doing.
Your lug nut was put on by Thor.
Nah, just Courey.
Thanos' gauntlet, bro.
Just Courey.
Thanos is gone.
This is like dumb tight.
Moving the whole car.
Is it off the ground?
No.
No.
Yeah, then I gotta go back to Super and go get Brian.
The car is.
I'm not trying to snap this stud. Like I can snap the fuck out this stud, bro. This stud can go bye-bye. Like, like you better not have a stud real quick. I go all the way down. You better not have a stud.
Should we like take the car, like put the car in the air, bro?
No.
That's not gonna help. That's not gonna help.
Not gonna help at all, bro.
I mean, technically, if you're holding
Snap them all. Snap them all.
Take them all out.
Snap them all?
No.
Wait, so the impact don't work?
Brandon got excited.
Wait, the impact don't work?
Wait, really?
Oh,
No, wait.
Nah, he's good. He's good.
Brandon did it.
You're solid. You're solid.
Brandon did it.
There we go,
Brandon. Ah. What a guy. All right, guys. So we finished this side. We couldn't use the lugs that we had on there originally because
We could, but
you saw.
it's a risk.
Yeah, you saw what happened before.
She got.
They were pretty tight, so we put on
I gave
some
him
of
some
these joints.
some gold Mutekis.
Yeah, focus camera. There we go. Nice shiny crusty joint. Oh yeah.
It's matching.
Frickin' mint.
Corey, how you feeling about this, bro?
I'm honestly kind of nervous to go back home, but I'm turned. I am definitely turned.
I mean, we're flipping your tires.
This looks good.
Yeah.
Time for alignment?
All right, guys. Thank you for coming along on this install. We are pretty much done. We just
done.
need to get an alignment,
About to head
but
over to GR.
Corey's gonna go get an alignment, and that's the end of it. So we will see you guys on the next video. Make sure if you are in the DMV area, come pull up on Saturday. It's from 8 p.m. to 11:30, I believe.
Yes, sir.
Rockville, Tito. So we hope to see you there.
SlantedCo.shop. Link in bio.
Exactly. Exactly. Go check out the shop, guys. Cop some merch. We have some long sleeves. We have some t-shirts left. Embroidered
Champion
t-shirts.
t-shirt.
They're nice. Thank you for coming along. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. You already know what to do.
Again, link in bio.
Exactly. And we will see you guys on the next video.
Link in bio. Love you guys.
I'm on right now? Oh shit, alright. Hey yo, hey Courey, come over. We got 30 seconds. We got 30 seconds to talk to the camera, bro. What you want to say to the camera, bro? Facts, me too, bro.
Yep.
Alright, bet. Say less.